Hey guys, so I'm just gonna make this video super short and sweet. We've got 3 different exhaust sounds. One is the stock exhaust. The other one is the same exhaust with the caps cut off on the end, which is basically a straight pipe. And then we've got the reverse cone exhaust from Amazon. So let's just hear what those sound like, and then I'll give my thoughts and opinions in the end. So hopefully you could tell, I'm just using an iPhone audio, so it's not gonna be super clear, but the stock exhaust was pretty quiet and tame. The cut exhaust is a lot louder, pretty crackly, pretty poppy, and the reverse cone exhaust is much cleaner. It's a lot louder than I thought it would be, but it sounds way smoother, has a deeper kind of lower note to it, and it just all around sounds cleaner and better. So I highly suggest going with the reverse cone exhaust from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, if you're looking for like an easy exhaust for your motorcycle, I highly suggest this one. Hope this is a helpful video. Thanks guys.